Absolutely, Ankur. This is a big story, a big development as far as this controversial birthright citizenship policy is concerned, because in a landmark decision, like you were rightly stated, the Supreme Court has ruled 5-4 against President Trump's executive order. Now, President Trump's executive order limited birthright citizenship from children of illegal immigrants. Now, when we talk about President Trump and his policies, and of course, when Marco Rubio came here in India as well, he mentioned about visas, the fact that he said that it's not against any particular country, but the administration wants to crack down on illegal immigration. And this was also one of the ways by which the Trump administration was sort of managing that, was trying to execute that. However, this is a big blow to his policy. In fact, this historic decision by the Supreme Court, it solidifies the strength of the 14th Amendment. It reinforces 158 years of legal precedent since the 14th Amendment, remember, was officially ratified into the U.S. Constitution. In fact, let me also quote what Chief Justice Roberts, who led the majority in support of the ruling, said. He said, and I quote, "Those children are thus subject to the jurisdiction of the United States. They satisfy both the elements of the Citizenship Clause. They are born in the United States." That's essentially what the judge underlined. And he said that subject to the jurisdiction thereof, under the Constitution, they are citizens at birth. So, of course, a legal challenge has put the spanner in the works as far as Trump's policy with respect to birthright citizenship is concerned. It remains to be seen how President Trump or members of his administration are going to react to that. Remember, this is not the first time the Supreme Court has sort of deemed one of his policies as illegal, because IEEPA tariffs, if you remember earlier this year, they were deemed as illegal. Remember, these tariffs wreaked havoc all across the globe, much like his policy of birthright citizenship. It ignited a lot of concern, a lot of a debate all across the globe.